looking back, we're just looking ahead. I could see why you'd think I'd want to be like you. And you know that it's hard, but I've never